So we're here at the Wyre Forest. Well, actually, we're in the middle of the Wyre Forest, and just been doing the green trail. There's a colour codes for every trail. I will show you the map in a little while. So this isn't one of the trails, there's just people walking past. So I've just got this little dirt path. The reason I started filming halfway through the forest and not at the start was purely due to the fact, one, there's a lot of people with young children about, and two, there isn't really much I could have filmed. So the path is mainly just woodland area and embankments, although the reason I chose to film this part is a lovely stream flowing down. Quite relaxing. So I will continue on with the journey. If I do come across anything else, we'll start filming. So just come across a little information here, and also the little stream carries on. So just going off the track slightly, just noticed look like little bonfires, and also there's another one just up here. So when going to new places, there's not, unless you do research, which I tend not to do, it makes it more interesting, then you don't know what to expect. So with this walk, I didn't know really what to expect. Great exercise, as you can tell. I'm a little out of breath. Just try to run up that hill. Great if you've got dogs. There is plenty of sticks and places for them to run. And also if you have children, a lot of entertainment near the front entrance, and the walk itself is quite beautiful. So onwards we go. So trying to get down the route that I so happily just run up. Thought I'd film just in case I slip, for entertainment, and managed to do it successfully. Doesn't look much of a drop, but the soil is quite slippy. There's a lot of mud about. So just over there, if you can see those two big mounds of dirt, it looks like two trees have fell, and they've tore the roots up. Normally I would go and walk over, but there is a ton of thorns and God knows what else between me and that, and I don't fancy getting scratched to pieces. Oh, but there's some beautiful forest views. So just come across another tree that has come crashing down, and as you can see, it's been torn out from the roots. There's quite a few fallen trees, or they've been chopped down. another little snippet of information. And if a lot of water I've noticed running from just there, comes a look, quite still water as well. I think someone's tried to build a little pathway using sticks. So just noticed, I don't know if you can tell in the video, the tree just there, oh, there's like a lime green line on it, across it. It sort of reminds me of the first Predator film, when the Predator's bleeding and he leaves that glowing green blood. Just come across a little bench, looking off into the trees. So we've reached the top and the end of our trail. This was rough and ready, just plenty more trees and a good walk, lots of cardio done. Brilliant, like I say, if you've got a dog, and plenty hills, mud, few little streams and rivers, well, and just a nice good exercising walk. So I hope you've all enjoyed. There's little trails and paths everywhere, and that is all for today.